Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, Skill RPA. So now I'm back with new use case, like which is a quarter closure. And generally in finance domain, we will be doing this on every quarterly basis, what are the pending transactions we have and how many transactions it was paid off, like based on the receivables and all. So this is kind of reconciliation we will be doing against our bank account. So we will be logging into this bank application. So I already kept it logged in. So the requirement is like for all these transactions. So we have transaction 1, 2, 3, like we can have more than one transaction. So in these transactions, what we will do is we will reconcile against the banking application. So we'll take this amount and we'll search in this application. So it's not here, it's a global search. Let me just refresh this page. And we just need to scroll down here and we need to search for this amount here. If the amount is not available, then we'll mark it as unverified because we didn't receive this particular transaction amount into our banking application. Whereas here, we'll just copy this payment amount again and we'll just put this here and we got the amount. And we will be verifying these details, date, account, whether savings 3842 or not, and payment type. Will validate these details against that particular transaction, and if the transaction details matches, then we'll change it to the verified. So this is how we need to do for all these transactions. So first we'll check with invoice amount, payment amount, and then we'll reconcile against the due date and the payment account and the payment type as well. In case if we just go with this 364, and let me just search it here, there is no match found, so unverified. And let us go with this. Even this is the also not having unverified. I'm just trying to check for other than Visa, other payment methods are got retrieved or not, whether we have it or not, unverified. Let me search with this amount. We are not getting any. Okay, unverified. I'm just trying to make sure that whether whatever we are doing is correct or not by putting all the details. So we got for Visa. And let me search with this number. No such nonsense. So if you see for all Visa transactions we are having and others we are not having. So looks like somewhere we are going wrong. Let us search for this. No match found. Unverified. Let me go here again. My motto is I just want to validate again other than the Visa, anything is available or not, because there might be a filters or something might be available. So I just want to make sure everything is working as expected. So even this is also unverified. And the problem is only for Visa and we got some verified data, and for others we don't have anything. So might be we are going wrong. We just see. Let us do one thing. Let us click on submit. We'll get to know. So accuracy is 25%, which means we are not doing as expected. We click on OK. These transactions are not correct, which are check or ACH, right? They are available, but it is not visible in this application. So there might be some filter available here. Let me just see. No, there is no filter, but still why we are not getting it? So it is saying this is wrong. We just go here and search for the amount. It is not available. And let me filter based on this ACH. We have 4 records, and let us go with ACH 585.86. It is not available. Go to the page 2, page 3, page 4. So we don't have anywhere else to check, right? So So ACH, but why it is giving incorrect? So it is saying incorrect or like it is highlighting all. These two are correct and the rest is not correct. So this was not yet done. Let me search for this. My motto is just to make sure whatever we are doing is correct or not. And even these amounts are also not available. Let me do one thing. Let me refresh this. Now let us go one by one because the data is got changed and because we refreshed this page also previously. It should not be a problem. We didn't got anything for this. So if we do one thing, it doesn't make any difference, but still just wanna check. Even this is also unverified. This also unverified. This is also unverified. I think somewhere we are going wrong. That's why we are getting this unverified all the time. Let us see how the things will move. We try with this. Everything is unverified. How come it is possible? Something needs to be available, right? So there might be something we are going wrong. Then I'm going to get an accuracy of 0 because everything is unverified. Oops. This is not available, then everything is unverified. How come even it is possible? Submit accuracy or less accuracy we are getting. Somewhere we are going wrong. You see one thing. Let us search with some description. We do not have description. We have checking. And under this, what is the payment type? Check. Now check. And what is the amount? 1962.47. 962.47 under the check. It's really not available. It's something we are going wrong somewhere. Right? 2147. Let's go here. Now here we need to search for this data. I'm just available. Search it, please. Yeah, it is available. So we need to navigate to this checking 2147 and 2839, right? So we need to go for 2839 and here we need to search for this. And here we need to search, it is available. So in this way, we need to search and we need to update it back. So this is our requirement. And whenever we got the requirement, right, we just need to do it manually before going for the automation. Then only we'll come to know whether the things are working as expected or not. So this is our use case, and this use case we are going to implement in a single process. In this particular use case, we are not following the dispatcher performer, but we use the RE framework without orchestrator queues, and we'll see how we can use this RE framework without orchestrator queues, and we will do the development of this particular process. So let us do one thing before closing, right? This is verified. And this is also verified. Let us go here. We'll see this 2147. 2147. We clicked on 2147. Let us search the value here. It is there. So is it check type? Yes, it is verified. This is 3842 17. Even I am seeing this use case first time, so that's why even I was not aware. So this is 2147. We need to check 2147. Let's click on that. Let us search for this. It is available, verified, and this is 32839. Let us go to 2839, and it is available. So we'll mark as verified. And this one 2839. 2839. Yeah, we are in the same. Let us search for it. And it is available. So we mark it as verified. And this is 3842. Let us go to 3842. Which is available, verified. And this is 4513 and 4513 credit card. Let us search for this. It is available. So we will click on verified. We will click on submit. So it is not allowing us to do the resubmit, but yeah, this is how we need to automate this. And let us see in the next video how we can develop this using RE framework without using orchestrator queues. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Skill RPA YouTube channel.